In this video, we're gonna check out if it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video on the Xiaomi 15T. So we're gonna go to the video mode, and first I'm gonna start with the 4K resolution 60 frames per second. So let's start recording. And in this case, unfortunately, well, we do have the option to switch the zoom, but as you can see, there is no switch of lenses at all. The object that I have behind the camera stays in the same position. Alright, so let's switch to 30 frames per second. And in this case, it seems that we can actually zoom out to use the ultra wide angle. And here we can now see the change of the position. We have this little shift as we adjust the zoom. So yes, it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video. It just depends on the resolution and the frame rate probably. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.